kung gusto mo talagang mag-glow up, stop oversharing. Not everyone needs to know what you are doing in your life. How can you focus if you're always just sharing? If you are sharing for validation from other people, you do not need the permission of other people for you to be able to move and change your life or do a glow up. Okay. Marami kasi hindi makapag-umpisa ng glow up nila kasi parang may inaantay silang go signal. At bawat hakbang nila kailangan nilang i-post. Bawat exercise routine, bawat skincare, bawat outfit, kailangan nilang i-post sa social media. Which is, ang nangyayari doon is nawawala ka sa focus, nawawala ka sa pupuntahan mo kasi kailangan nag-overshare ka. And these days, guys, if you notice, even for me on this account, I don't really overshare anymore because not just because I learned my valuable lessons, but because I value privacy. Okay. Privacy is so important na there are things, there are moments that do not need to be shared. Okay. Even if you have social media accounts. See? So ako, benta-benta lang, tamang beauty-beauty advice lang, ganun lang, chill. Okay. And yung pagiging chill na yon is nakatulong sa glow up ko. Kasi I don't really need the permission of any other person or the validation of any other person. I just do what I do privately.